Vishnu sir fans and all the lovers of movie lovers and media and everybody. So we are releasing this audio in hospital. So I don't want anybody to be present here. I want where they are the everybody, the fans who wants to help for this cause. The 14th August, 2 to 3 o'clock, we are doing this launch at some hospital with some patients. I want everybody to be present at their local hospitals, government hospitals, and giving some contribution to the patients, like at least one banana or 100 rupees or anything. You should contribute like that. So it will be great day. It will be remembered for everybody. This thing I request for everybody. I started this film, it is long back, so I don't want to go for that, what the hurdles and everything. When I launched the teaser, first poster, 100 feet poster at Vishnu Sir Samadhi, that day the Karnataka don't know what is my film, what is Nagarao, what their people are doing, nothing. So the time spent now already like 6 months over. So each and every one of Karnataka people knows what is Nagarao. They are very excited. So I feel there is no need for doing more promotions or publicity, because the fans and general people and media and everybody supporting this film. And today, my team of my office, they will tell sir today it will be released, means it is hit. So if the film has reached every place in every house, so I don't want to spend waste of my money to these kind of promotions or anything. It is the right thing to, it should be help to somebody else. And what I learned from lot of seeing with Vishnu Sir's videos and listening with a lot of people about what the Vishnu Sir has to do, what is ambition to do. It's small thing from his side, it's contribution from Vishnu Sir, that is the thing. What we are planning, we are 7 to 8 members of team we appointed, and we are doing what Simha Hasta one association we are forming for these donations. So the 7 to 8 members of team go to all government hospitals all over Karnataka. They will take they will meet the patients and doctor hospitals everywhere. So they will take the what is the patient's problems and everything. So we will be having some in hundreds of patients. So in hundreds of patients, we will select 25 patients and we will donate for that amount for the 25 patients. On 7th, we are planning one press meet, and in that press meet, we will be calling all 25 patients, or if the patient can't come, the families will come there. So we will put all the records and the videos and everything in front of media. On 7th of August, we will request all media people and our friends on celebrities and government to help these people. They will be needing not 1 lakh rupees, they will be needing more lakhs of rupees to save their lives and everything. So we are contributing our 1 lakh rupees on 14th August on audio. So on 7th, we are putting these cases in front of media, and we will request all the celebrities and every people to contribute the amounts for these patients. So what the amounts will come in our Simhasta account, which will be activated from 7th August. That amounts will be divided according to the people, what they needs. That on 14th we will be distributing that amount to the patients, and separately our company Inbox Pictures Private Limited will give 1 lakh rupees demand draft on that day, on 14th August, to our that patients, the clients. From 7th we are opening this bank account. From 7th till release of the film, the bank account will be open, and we will be going to people, and people will be coming to us for donations and everything. The amounts will be in our accounts. On 14th we are distributing that 7 days amount, and after 14th till the release date, what the amounts will come in our account. We will be distributing after the release that amounts. So if that 25% needs will cover from that amount, that we will be having the list of another 25 people in our hand. So we will go for extra amount for 26 patient or 27 patient, like that till the release, till next day the account, after release next day the account will be closed, and after that we will have one press meet, and we will distribute the balance amount to everyone.
Are you informed to Bharti Madam?
No, till now I am not informed this to Bharti Madam. I want to give her this surprise, for we are doing this cause for Vishnu Sir. and I hope she will be very much happy with this.
ऑडियो रिलीज कैसे करेंगे?
Audio release is very simple program. We are keeping the budget of 2,500 budget. So we will go to any government hospital in Bangalore. We won't disturb any patient. It will be somewhere outside of hospital. So we will be calling the media over there and 25 patients over there, and we will have the Vishnu sir's one photo will be there, one mala and one deepam. The 25 DVDs will be distributed to 25 patients, and the 25 lakhs rupees, 1 lakh rupees, the demand draft will be distributed to that patient. That is our audio launch. It will be on 14th August, 2 o'clock afternoon. 2 to 3, this program will be there. So that day I'm calling every Vishnu Sir fans and everybody, every human being, to support the cause, what we are doing on 14th August, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, wherever the government hospital, any hospital, beside your home, beside your office, anywhere, go there and donate something, even a banana or 100 rupees or 10 rupees. It's for 1 hour, please give it for Karnataka people, for humanity.
सर ऑडियो रिलीज इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम बना रहे हैं, फिल्म कैसा है प्लान कर रहा है क्या?
Film will be released. It will be having some good promotions, and we are getting good sponsors and everything for promoting the films. So we are since 8-10 days we are giving some promotion. We are planning some activities, promotion activities. It will be huge release. I think the film will release on the birthday of Sir. So it will be very huge release. The fans, followings, and everybody are waiting for this kind of film. So I hope it will be very good release of the film. So some distributors are approaching for this. Till now we have not confirmed any distributor or anything to give the rights. Last moment we will plan. Our self-release will be there, or we are choosing any person from there.